Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to write on Christmas Day card. So let's start. Dear Priya, may this Christmas brings joy, love and warmth to your home. May your day be filled with happiness and your heart with peace. Celebrate the magic of Christmas with your loved ones. And cherish the moments that make this season special. You are blessed and Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. With love, you can write your name here and give this to your loved one. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Bye bye.